First it was the declaration and the proclamation. Okay? And the proclamation, if you want to read it, is it, Janira, can you read it for me? Ezra 1, first verse.
Now in the first year of Cyrus, king of Persia, that the word of the Lord by the mouth of Jeremiah might be fulfilled, the Lord stirred up the spirit of Cyrus, king of Persia, that he made a proclamation throughout all the kingdom, and put it in also in writing, saying, Thus saith King Cyrus of Persia, the Lord of heaven has given me all the kingdom of the earth, and he has charged me to build him an house at Jerusalem, which is in Judea.
Now jump to 3.
Who is there among you of all his people?
Stop. Read that question.
Who